has the keys?
Sir, back away. Back away.
I'm sorry. What's up, guys? It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. All getting ready to hit the road. Just woke up, gotta run up here, grab the backrest for the Ford GT. Tired, didn't get much sleep, but that's okay. On days like this, you're excited. So you can run on 3 to 4 hours sleep. Because the Ford GT seats are not very forgiving. One of my favorite things ever is you eating the French fries with Brett.
I know, I actually just watched that video.
Did you?
The other day. Yeah,
I love it. It's just like, slow down.
I
and
go
like
back and watch those old videos so often, yeah.
I have a hard time watching those videos though, with my weight.
It's crazy. Honestly, that was the one that I watched, and like you getting out of the P1, and I was like, oh my god, this is a different person now. Like this is a whole different person.
Jabba the Hutt owns a P1. Yeah, it was a roast session on live because I showed him a before and after picture. Like, you got that G-Wagon body style.
You got that wide body kid.
Yeah.
I mean, things can't get any crazier. It's like
it somehow gets crazier.
it just gets crazy.
And then it's still going to get crazier.
I mean, it's got to slow down at some point.
But it's going to speed up before it slows down.
I built a rocket in my basement. I'm gonna fly it to the moon. This supersonic is amazing. You're gonna feel my sonic boom. I'm flying higher and I'm never coming down. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me. We brought the funk into this function. We show up dressing to the nines. Okay. Now never need an introduction. No matter what, I'm feeling fine. I'm flying higher and I'm never coming down. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me
You like that 600? Oh yeah, I like that. Or the center seats.
Oh, my back is killing me.
Just like last time.
Yeah, I mean, they're not horrible. But, I mean, anytime I'm sitting, honestly, in anything, it hurts my back.
I need some coffee, like ASAP.
Good thing there's a McDonald's right over there.
No, not a McDonald's coffee.
Really? A lot of
People
people
say McDonald's coffee's good.
Yeah, a lot of people say that.
No, I gotta do cold brew or something in here anyway. I can't do a hot coffee.
And we should stop the Starbucks.
Well, just with like there's like no cup holders or nothing.
Okay, this thing looks really good.
Thank you. Thank you. Has a very tiny tank. Found out, and that's why we're here.
Unspeakable apple. Sure.
Very hot back here.
What do you do, Andrew, to get a $1.5 million car?
You know the tops of umbrellas? I'm the guy that puts the tops on them. I put the top on the umbrellas.
So you kind of like invented that?
I didn't invent it, but I'm just the guy that does it. So, but
That's a really good job. I don't know how you even come up with that. Yeah, that was fantastic, though. Like, so obscure.
Was it twin turbo or something? Yeah. Probably crazy stupid crap, right?
Yeah, it'll get you in trouble.
I got a motorcycle like that. It'll stand up in first 3 gears and it's a cruiser.
Yeah.
you're welcome.
It doesn't red light until about 10,000, so as soon as you get 3,500, it's like a turbo kicked in thing. Yeah.
Gotta be careful on
I got a lot.
Of course you can, buddy.
Better wear a helmet, huh?
Excited to see Chad. Haven't seen Chad in a little while. A few weeks.
On the door, Austin.
Oh, that's what. Okay.
Is this like the Mary Poppins of McLaren's?
There's a lot of stuff I gotta get out of here. This is what happens in a 7-hour road trip. You know, we brought this guy with us right here. Here, I'm gonna bring him over, but he didn't quite make it. We were a little rough with him. Little fly. You see him?
Little buddy.
I tried to feed him popcorn. The MSO sticker.
Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff still. The man, the myth, the
man
legend.
himself.
So,
Chad.
Andrew.
Hey, we met over at the.
what's up?
We were standing right here, Jordan and I.
This center right here.
Senna was right here. dead quiet for like 5 minutes.
I actually took this chair here.
Yeah.
And did this.
Yeah.
Sat here.
And then
Nice
on the back.
Did Brad drive this on a back and forth?
I sat here and I just stared at it.
Is it even called a steering wheel at this point?
Look at that thing. Does this come without the mesh on the back?
Yeah, this is how the car sits.
Oh my God, that is amazing to see everything with no mesh. It's so raw.
The shareholders can have any car built that they want.
So like above and beyond any production numbers from a normal McLaren.
Right.
I
Right.
thought you were gonna ask how do we become
But
shareholders.
I honestly,
With money.
think all the shareholders are car guys. You know, that's why you don't.
There's a limit?
There's a limit and we're fast approaching.
Nice meeting you guys, man. Take care. Have a good day.
The new media man.
Yes, they just hired me. I'm getting paid right now.
I quit.
You gotta start somewhere.
You know what? If you record me one more time, I quit. If you look at me like that again, I quit.
He's an unpaid intern.
I quit. Take your camera.
Would you be interested in an unpaid internship?
Yes.
Okay.
Where do I sign up?
I hired him, guys. It's fine.
I bet Brett's really cold right now.
It's razzling the Dowsing. Can you believe this thing? I think it looks great in red. Do you like it in red?
It's not bad.
Not bad. This is the not bad red by said. All the white, even like over the center and on the side, the Ford GT, all that will be black.
It'll go from not bad to good.
Yeah, and then a set of, I think they're 3 peaks, maybe they're not 3 peaks, but some darker HRE wheels.
You lost me.
And bigger tires. This is getting cut off completely. Yeah, because it looks hideous. And like the original GT40s are just straight down. So this is like for the US regulations to have this bumper on the back. So that's gonna get cut off, and then the tailpipes have to get cut a little bit. No, I think, are we good with this, Bryce?
Yep.
Are you happy?
Yep.
If you're happy, I'm happy.
Always. Watch your head, bro. You don't duck.
No, I know. I'm borrowing a buddy's right now, but I didn't do it once. Oh, it was so close.
Oh, I guess you didn't sat in it yet.
It was not me. This is the first time ever. You're
Yeah,
catching
you're
it on
right.
camera.
You're right.
First time ever. You got in it before me.
Sorry.
No, I love that about you.
Oh, you don't look so good.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're all very
And I
hungry.
need coffee, and my butt hurts.
Even with the pad?
From this, no, I mean from this place yesterday. Was it this place?
It looks identical.
It looks identical to me.
They all look the same, apparently.
Going the opposite direction.
That's a good point.
We're on the opposite side of the road.
He makes a valid point.
I can't argue with that.
1, 2, 3.
I'm trying not to spin it towards the building,
Thanks.
which is why I'm not going all the way around. So I wanted to respect your wishes.
Thanks.